Hello students, today I am going to teach you about the articles which is familiar or you have already read in previous class also. And today first of all I will discuss about this article definition and what is an article. Basically an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, article modify nouns. Yes, article is like an adjective and it modifies nouns. And there are three articles in English language. They are on and the. Basically, on and the are used. They are known as the articles. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. And on and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We have divided this one definite and indefinite articles. First one, the is known as the definite article and a and n are known as indefinite articles. And first of all, indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, in this indefinite articles, I and n are divided. And first of all, you should know the definition of indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, I and n are used before singular nouns, not in plural nouns. They are only used in singular nouns. They are not used in plural nouns. I and n sign that the noun modifies is indefinite, referring to any member of the group. I and n sounds that the noun modifies is indefinite and they only refer to a group. For example, here are given two examples. Now we can look at here. First one is here, my sister really wants a bag. In this sentence, here is indefinite article or is used. And in this sentence, a bag means bag refers any one bag, any bag, not fixed here, not particular, not definite. And next example, somebody called a policeman. In this sentence also, a policeman means here any one policeman. Here is no fix, no definite. So these are taken as O and N are taken as in indefinite articles. And next one is a definite article the. The definite article the is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. The is used in both singular and both plural nouns. And thus the signs that the noun is definite. It refers to a particular member of a group. The signs that are it refers to a particular member of a group. And for example, you can look at here. Here are given two examples. I saw the elephant at the zoo. In this sentence, here before the word elephant, there is used article the. Here the means which elephant is at the zoo. Here is fixed. Here is specific. So the article is used before the word elephant. And now look at the next example. The dog that beat me ran away. In this sentence, the article the is used before the word dog. It means that here the dog which beat me ran away means here a fixed particular which dog beat me. So here is the article used here. And next one, now look at here. There are many uses of the articles I and the. And first you use here the article o. The article o is used before singular countable nouns, which begins with consonant sounds. The article o is only singular, not in plural, and it begins. And which word begins should begin with consonant sound also. So for examples, now you can look at here examples. He is the teacher of our school. In this sentence, a teacher. Here, a teacher means sound is also consonant sound T and it is singular also. So here is use article a. And next one, now look at here. I have a pen in my pocket. In this sentence, the article a is used before the word pen because pen here is sound also consonant and singular subject. So singular noun here is used article a. And next use you can look at here. Second use the article n. The article n is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds like a. N is also used before singular countable nouns, which begins with uh, here vowel sounds. O is used only consonant sound, and N is used for only vowel sounds. Now look at here examples. He is an actor. In this sentence, here is article N is used before the noun actor, because actor means here is a vowel sound, so N article is used here. And now look at next sentence. I saw an eagle. In this sentence, here is N is used. An article is used before the noun eagle, because here is vowel sound E. Letter is also vowel letter, and sound also vowel sound. And now look at next one. Next use number 3. If there is an adjective or an adverb adjective combination before the noun, or and should agree with the first sound in the adjective or the adverb adjective combination. It means that if there is an adjective, or if there is an adjective adverb combination also, at that situation, at that time, you should be careful the use of articles with the first sound, not second one. You should be careful the first sound, first letter sound. Here are given examples also. Now you can look at here examples. He is an excellent teacher. In this sentence, here is article and is used before the word, before this adjective. Excellent. Excellent is an adjective, and before adjective we can use article n. Here is sound excellent. First letter A means vowel sound. So here is an article used. And next one, now look at your next sentence. I saw a really beautiful doll. In this sentence, really beautiful means adverb. Really is adverb, beautiful means adjective. Adverb, adjective combination. And here is R. Really R pronunciation means, here is pronunciation of consonant. Consonant sound. So here is used article O. So you should be careful that while the adjective and the adverb adjective combination words comes in the sentence, at that time you should use articles according to the sounds. If there is a vowel sound, at that time you use and. If there is consonant sound, at that time you should use O. Now look at use for. Use for, here is use A. Use A is S before words such as European and university, which sound is like consonant here. Now look at here one time. Use A before the words European and university, because these words these nouns or starts with a vowel letter E and U, which sounds is like, but here is sound like consonant sound. European, your sound. So it is consonant sound. And next one, university, your. University, here is consonant sound. These letters are starting from vowel letter, but sound is like consonants. So it's here is important sound, not letters. Even if the first letter is vowel, here is first letter is vowel letter, but sound is consonant. So your sound is important rather than letter. Now you can look at examples also. At the time you can be clear. He wears a uniform. In this sentence, a uniform. Here is use article a, because here is letter vowel letter starting from U, but sound is uniform, consonant sound. So a article is used here. And now look at next sentence. She is a university student. Here is starting vowel letter U, but sound is consonant. So O is used here. And next one, look at your use 5. In use 5, we can describe that use and before words such as our and honest, which sound is like vowel, even if the first letter is in consonant. Now look at your our and honest. These words are starting from consonant letter, consonant word, consonant letter, but pronunciation is here vowel. Honest, our. Here is a sound, so it uses in N. an article. Now look at here examples also. At that time you can be clear. I have only an hour for lunch. In this sentence, look at here. Here the sound H is silent. Only pronunciation OUR, not hour. Hour. O means it's vowel sound. So here is used an article. And next sentence, look at here. She is an honest girl. In this sentence also, H letter silent. So pronunciation is honest. Vowel sound. So here is used an article. Now look at next one, use 6. In English, some nouns are considered uncountable nouns such as information, year, advice, salt, phone, extra. Yes, these are considered with uncountable nouns. So uh, here is no use of articles. For example, look at here. She gives good advice. We have fun at park. This sentence are uncountable nouns. So there is no use of articles. In uncountable nouns, we do not use articles on. Next one, now look at your use 7. We use definite article the when talking about something which is already known to the listener or which has been previously mentioned, introduced or discussed. It means that we use definite article the when talking about something and which is already known, which word is already listened and mentioned that they have introduced. At that time we can use definite article the. And for example, look at here. I have a cat. The cat is black. Here are two sentences, and in these two sentences there is the repetition of the noun cat. In first sentence, I have a cat. In second sentence, the cat is black. So there is a repetition of a noun and the cat. In second sentence, look at here. The cat. Cat is already listener introduced, discussed, which is used in first sentence. So at that time we can use article the. And next sentence also look at here. Next example, there is a book in my bag. The book is very heavy. In these two sentences also, the noun of book is used, and at that time the book is repeated in two times, which it means which is familiar or the listener already introduced, discussed and mentioned about these words. So at that time we can use the article. And next you can look at here, we can use the with both singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns, in both situations we can use the. For examples, I gave the ball to him. In this sentence, look at here. The ball means it is singular. It is singular noun ball. So at that time also we can use the. And in next sentence, I gave the balls to him. In this sentence, here is plural nouns balls. But at that time also we can use the. So the article is used both singular and plural nouns. And the next one, now look at here, use the article with superlative degrees, such as the best, the biggest, the most important, extra. In superlative degrees, we can use the article the. For example, look at here, this is the best day ever. In this sentence, best. Best is superlative degree. So best, highest, longest, these words are superlative degrees. At that time, we can use the. And next one, this is the most expensive car. In this sentence also, most expensive is also superlative degree. So at that time, we should use the article. And next one, look at here, the use of article the. Mostly English speakers often use this article the for a singular noun when they talk about or make generalizations about certain topics. At that time, they mostly use the articles. And here are many topics also which include the articles. They are given as follows: musical instruments. Musical instruments, for example, the guitar, the flute. At that time we can use the article for musical instruments. And next one, plants. For the name of plants we can use the article. The banyan, at that time the coconut tree. we can, at that time we can use the articles for the name of plants. And the next one is there, the name of currencies also we can use the dollar, the euro. These are the examples where the article is used. And the next one, you can look at here, body parts. Before the name of body parts, we can use the articles, the head, the eye. We can use, now before these words, we can use the article. And the next one, look at here, name of inventions. At that time also we can use the article. Name of inventions, the plane, the electric bulb. For that we can use the article. And next one, now look at here, we can use the articles with the name of the rivers also. We can use the articles. So for example, the Bagmati River, the Karnali River, and the name of before the name of rivers, we can use the articles. And next one, oceans. Before the name of oceans also we can use the article, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, for example. And next one, deserts. Before the name of deserts, we use the article. For example, the Sahara Desert. And next one, mountain chains. Before the name of mountain chains, we can use the articles, not in the name of mountain. Only mountain chains. Means, for example, the Himalayan range. At that time, we can use the article. And next one, museums. Before the name of museums, we can use the article. For example, the Narayan Hetty Museum, the Natural History Museum. Before the name of museums, also we can use the articles. And name of hotels also we can use the articles. And the name of theaters and name of institutes also we can use the articles. And name of bridge also we can use articles. For example, the London Bridge. And the next one, name of universal objects. Universal objects like the sun, the star, the moon. Before these words, we use the articles. And now I am describing about only the use of articles on and the. And in English grammar, here are some cases. Here are some words which are not used articles, means no articles. In these words are given as follows. Now look at here. In these words, we do not use articles. Now look at here. Individual lakes. Before the name of individual lakes, we don't use article. For example, Phewa Lake, Rara Lake. Before this name of lakes, we do not use articles. Only Phewa Lake, Rara Lake, not use of articles. And next one is individual mountains. Before the name of mountains, we do not use articles. Only we use only mountain range we use articles, but individual mountains we don't use articles. And next situation is hospitals. Name of hospitals also we do not use articles. And name of parks. And next one, name of temples also we don't use articles. For example, Pashupatinath temple. At that time there is no article used. And next one, name of university also we don't use articles. University and colleges also we don't use articles. And next one, name of languages. Nepali, Hindi, English. For these words also we do not use articles. And next one, name of dates. So we do not use articles. Only Sunday, Monday, not, there is not use of articles. And next one, name of months. Also we don't use articles. And next one, name of religions also we don't use articles. For example, Hinduism, Buddhism. Only this there are not use of articles. Okay, now I am describing about the use of articles and other things we'll discuss in next time also, next video. This much for today. All of you, bye bye.